goes rolling and it goes up out here.
Oh, okay.
And this goes down here too. Okay?
All right.
And now, down. And it turns in here. In the tunnel.
Oh, there's a tunnel there?
Yeah, there's a train here. It's a peg. It's a train here to train it up.
Oh, to pick it up.
Yeah.
Okay. And then?
Hello. And the truck dumps and the people throw rocks.
Oh, where would the people go?
Up here.
Oh, what is that there?
It's a part of people get up and
Oh, that's the part where people get up?
up.
How do they go up? Oh, it's like an elevator. Oh.
Hello.
And then, oh, the people would come up with a train? Oh, he will go there because he will drive the crane.
Yeah.
I see. Okay.
Big.
Oh.
Hello.
So that's the crane driver? Okay.
It's beating here.
Oh, well, why are you throwing the people away?
Look, it's beating.
Oh, it fits there too? Okay.
And don't know.
Going up.
I stop.
Okay.
And what we do up
Oh.
it.
Go up in there.
And
I want to drive the crane, Mechanim. Okay.
I'm grabbing the sand. No. Down in the throw. It's
But
down
where's
in
the rock?
Oh no, it's down in the throw. It's down in the throw.
Is that in the floor?
Oh no, it's down in the throw.